remaining, there is in the D exercise, there is remaining only 5 problems are there. We are discussing these 5 problems now. Okay, in this one, the question number 7 is, what does that means? Box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar is equal to 2 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the question is given. So box of the A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar is equal to what is that? 2 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So now how to simplify means using of the box formula A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar. So that can be written as A bar plus B bar dot bracket open B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar. So A bar plus B bar dot, take the cross product, so means B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. Hello. So then what happened, it is A bar plus B bar dot bracket open, it is B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross B A bar plus same vector cross product is 0 bar plus C bar cross A bar. This is that. Now take the dot product with all the functions. First of all, there is 3 plus 3, 6 will be coming. A bar dot B bar cross C bar, first one, plus A bar dot B bar cross A bar is second one, plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar is third one. This is the with A bar. Plus B bar means B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot B bar cross A bar plus B bar dot C bar cross A bar. This is the totally 6 will be covered. You know that was this is the box of this one. So it is, what is that? Box of A bar, B bar, C bar plus this is the box product in 2 vectors are equal means that means your automatically box is 0. Again here also A equal, so again 0. Here BB equals 0. Here BB equals 0. Again it is box of B bar, C bar, A bar. Cyclic order BCA. So this is 2 are same. So that can be written as 2 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Simply remember that was. This is a very important. But the most of students can be done in forget to put a dot mark in here. If you leave to dot, then it is nothing to meaning that was. So if the summation is given means 2 times will be coming. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar is equal to 2 into box of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. And in before class, while explaining in the coplanar condition, I am explaining one thing also. After this can be means how can you write down? Say another one method. But don't do this is in examination. Actually, it is a competitive question. For that purpose, you can go for this one. Say box of A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar. This is means what is that? Delta A coefficient 1, B coefficient 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Before class only I can explain that. If you are giving the any combination of linear combination of the other vectors, then you must be random. See, find the net value. 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into something is 0. Leave it. Into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. That is 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is also one of the method, but it is only for competitive purpose. Don't do it in the regular method. Actually, this is the very important. This is the concept is very important. If you see, it is a plus is given means 2 times coming. Suppose if the question is given in minus A bar minus B bar minus C bar minus A bar is given means this value is 0 because here plus 1 plus another one is minus, both can be cancelled. So automatically it is become the 0. See, if suppose it is a plus is given means 2 times will be coming. If minus is given means 0, you can need to solve for unit. You can go for this method also. You can be solve this one. So what happened it is, if box of a bar plus b bar plus c bar and c bar plus a bar is given means that is 2 into box of a bar b bar c bar. Suppose it is given box of a bar minus b bar minus c bar minus a bar is given means then that value is 0. You can do this method in for the examination purpose. This is the method for the competitive purpose. This is you can mention in this method you can write on means 1 minus 1 0 and 0 1 minus 1 again minus 1 0 1. You will getting the that value is 0. So this is the question number 7. Now the difference between the question number 7 and 8c. Here what happened is plus is given, so 2 times coming. Suppose inside is a cross is given means. Inside cross is given means what happened is, suppose it is a given like that is box of a bar cross b bar cross c bar cross a bar is given means. It is a cross given means multiply it, that is it can be equal to the square. You can't be do this is in this method. Because it is the linear combination of the two vectors, so you can be write on the coefficient of a bar b bar according to the depth and point with the mark. But it is not a linear combination, it is the cross product, it is a vector concept is given. Then you must be do for this method only. You can't be do simplify this method because it is not a plus or minus, it is into is given though. So how can you do it? Solution, very important concept is that a bar cross b bar cross c bar cross a bar is equal to a bar cross b bar dot bracket open b bar cross c bar cross c bar cross a bar. This is it. But you don't know how to do that 4 vectors cross product. For that purpose, what can you do? Let take that b bar cross c bar is equal to some vector d bar you consider. Then what happened it is a bar cross b bar dot bracket open d bar cross c bar cross a bar. So this is the 3 vectors cross product. In before class only discussion 3 vectors cross product. What you did first with the third one into second one. That is a bar cross b bar dot bracket open d bar dot a bar into c bar minus d bar dot c bar into a bar. First of all, first vector with the third vector dot product into second vector, and first vector into second vector dot product with the third vector. So that can be written as a bar cross b bar dot. Now you have put the value of d bar. D bar is b bar cross c bar. So b bar cross c bar dot a bar into c bar minus b bar cross c bar dot c bar into a bar. So this is the cross and dot, it is a box. So what happened is a bar cross b bar dot bracket open, it is take cursive bracket easily for that box of b bar c bar a bar into c bar. Again same is there, this value is 0 bar because 0 into vector is that this is can be written as 0 bar. If this is the dot means this is the number, take the outside b bar c bar a bar into a bar cross b bar dot c bar. Again this is also cross product. This is also called the box product. So apply the box product rule. What happened it is box of b bar c bar a bar into box of a bar b bar c bar. See, it is a cyclic order BCA, A B C B C A C A B. So it is cyclic order means you write on a bar b bar c bar. Again it is a bar b bar c bar. So that is equal to box of a bar b bar c bar whole square. Again I repeat, just carefully observe what I do. We did first of all he is given that box of a bar cross b bar cross c bar and c bar cross a bar. using the box formula. What is dot and another one is cross. A bar cross B bar dot, B bar cross C bar cross, C bar cross A bar. You don't know what is the 4 vectors cross product. For that purpose, I consider this vector as a D bar because cross product is a vector. So I consider this vector as a D bar. Then what happened, it is D bar cross of C bar cross A bar. So this is 2 vectors cross product. So what is the first into third into C bar minus first into second into A bar. So A bar cross B bar dot. Now I substitute the D value B C A. So here cross dot means it is a box into C bar. It is the same box but the 2 vectors are same. It is 0. 0 into A bar is equal to 0 bar. Vector now. So now you multiply means this is dot into C bar and this one. So finally you can get in this is the question number 8, and these 2 questions are very important. Sometimes it is a question is given that if it is also one time examination given. If box of A bar B bar C bar is equal to 5, find box of A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar is one asking for, and another one is A bar cross B bar cross C bar and C bar cross A bar. This is 2 question is asking. If you wanted to simplify these 2 means you must be learning this is. It is a plus is given. So the answer is suppose another one is also A bar minus B bar minus C bar minus A bar is given means. If plus is given means what happened, it is 2 times box of A bar B bar C bar, that is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. It is what is that square, A bar B bar C bar square, so that is 5 square is 25. This is 0. So this is also one time asking for the question for complementary generation as well as your CHSE plus 2 level question is also asking for this one. So how can you do it? This is the method to finding the remaining values of this one. Okay. Just go through that first. Total is there. Now we are going to discuss in the remaining 9th problem. This is the 7 and 8 is over, and the 9th question is what is that verification of this concept. 9th question is that say question number 9. Ninth question. For A bar is equal to I bar plus J bar, B bar is equal to minus I bar plus 2K bar, C bar is equal to J bar plus K bar. Obtain what is that? Obtain A bar cross B bar cross C bar, and also verify that what do you need to verify? A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. This is the question is given for long answer question also. Okay. The solution, what is that given? A bar is equal to I bar plus J bar, B bar is equal to minus I bar plus 2K bar, and C bar is equal to J bar plus K bar. First of all, find B bar cross C bar. That is equal to delta of I, J, K. B means -1, 0, 2. C means 0, 1, 1. So what are you getting from this one is equal to is equal to I into 0 minus 2 minus j into minus 1 minus 0 plus k into minus 1 minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 2I bar plus j bar minus k bar. Now we need to find A bar cross of B bar cross C bar, that is delta of I j k. A bar means 1 1 0, it is minus 2 1 minus 1, so that is I into minus 1 minus 0 minus j into minus 1 minus 0 plus k into 1 plus 2, that is minus I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. This is the value of this one. We need to show that this value and this value must be equal. It is the first value coming. What is the value of this one? A bar cross of B bar cross C bar. This is the value of this one. Now we are going to find the second one. For this purpose, you first find that A bar dot C bar. What is that A bar dot C bar? A bar is first vector I bar plus J bar dot C bar J bar plus K bar. There is I bar coefficient is 1, but it is not there, 0. It is J bar is 1 1. It is K bar coefficient is not there, is 1, is equal to 1. And similarly, A bar dot B bar, that is equal to I bar plus J bar dot minus I bar plus 2K bar. That is I bar coefficient 1, here minus 1, here 0, it is a J bar coefficient is 1, here nothing is 0, plus here K bar coefficient is nothing, 0 into 2, that is minus 1. Now find A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar, that is 1 into B bar minus minus 1 into C bar, that is B bar plus C bar. Find B bar plus C bar. B bar is minus I bar plus 2K bar plus J bar plus K bar, so that is equal to minus I plus J plus 3K bar. See, here you get getting this value and that is the value. Both values are set. Therefore, A bar cross of B bar cross C bar is always equal to, according to this formula, what is that? A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. This is also one of the question is this verification question is that this is the one as. Now there are the two questions are there, and the last question, 10th question is if you want to show that coplanar and 0 1 and coplanar. Okay. So that question number 10. Prove that A bar cross of B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross of C bar cross A bar plus C bar cross of A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar, and hence prove that A bar cross of B bar cross C bar, comma B bar cross of C bar cross A bar, comma C bar cross of A bar cross B bar are coplanar. Coplanar. This is you need to prove that one. Okay. Now, very easiest one, but it is a very important rule. It is a property. This is the one of the properties very important for the class. So what happened it is A bar cross of B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross of C bar. No? First of all, write A bar cross. This is using the formula A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Again, next one. B bar cross C bar cross A bar. Same concept apply. These two. b bar dot a bar into c bar minus b bar dot c bar into a bar. Again, last one is c bar cross of a bar cross b bar is equal to c bar dot b bar into a bar minus c bar dot a bar into b bar. I am going to add this three. Means here what is the a bar cross of b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross of c bar cross a bar plus c bar cross of a bar cross b bar. This side is this one is equal to. Now see, dot product are commutative. So a bar dot b bar, a bar dot c bar is equal to c bar dot a bar. So here plus, here minus cancel. Again this is a bar dot b bar, this is cancel, and all are cancelled. Finally 0. Very easiest one, very easiest property is this one. This property is everywhere. Sometimes it is asking I, j, k also. I bar cross of j bar cross k bar. Say this question is, if it is in the syllabus or not, it will type of, this type of question must be come, because this is both of the cross product. You can apply like that. He will be give means nothing can you do it. You must be found use of this one. Now we need to show that these three are coplanar. For that purpose, let a bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to p bar, and b bar cross c bar cross a bar is equal to some q bar. Take that, and c bar cross a bar cross b bar is equal to some r bar. Take. So from this condition, what you getting that was, so therefore we are aware that p bar plus q bar plus r bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay. Take any vectors from this side. What happened is p bar plus p bar you can keep here. Otherwise q bar plus r bar is equal to minus p bar. Okay. Take cross product with q bar cross r bar. You take that cross product with q bar cross r bar. Then what happened it is q bar plus r bar dot q bar cross r bar is equal to minus p bar dot q bar cross r bar. Take the dot form is q bar dot q bar plus cross r bar plus r bar dot q bar cross r bar is equal to minus p bar dot q bar cross r bar. See, this is the box q bar r bar. This is also box r bar q bar r bar is equal to minus box of p bar q bar r bar. See, same vector means 0. This is the same vector means 0 is equal to minus box of p bar q bar r bar. So from this one, what is that? Box of p bar q bar r bar is equal to 0. Box of the three vectors are 0 means automatically what happened? These three vectors are coplanar. There is only one question is the remaining. You can solve it this one, and up to this is the vector is completed, and then after the vector exercise there is some additional questions are there. You must be complete that additional exercise questions. Most of the questions I can solve in between the classes, and again in the last book there is some questions are given in the textbook, and you complete that questions also there and totally solve it. If any doubt means you can be message me on your WhatsApp. I will have the same group you can be WhatsApp that number and the question I can explain, or otherwise personally I will call you and I can explain in that class. If it is possible from the management, we will be conducting one doubt clarification class, and we will be simplify all the problems which have the doubt. But in before that class, while you are doing the problems in your home, if any doubt is coming means you just post that question in your group. Otherwise you have my number means you can post to that WhatsApp with my number. Okay, then I can maximum I can solve it without any hesitate. If it is not possible, we will be conducting one doubt clarification class and simplify all that. And good luck for all the questions of vectors. And it is a very easiest topic and very scoring topic, because combination of this one is 3D. So it is a little difficult is that was. So you can easily getting the marks from the vectors and prepare very well. And thank you and complete the chapter.